Hello, 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 hello. This is Dumabag Inisita with my rescue. Mickey, because of funny face.
Corny.
We're here in our yard. Just relaxing for 2 days is by. We're here in our yard. Just relaxing after celebrating the match. Wala kaming ibang magagawa kundi uupo dito sa aming yard. Wala kaming ibang magagawa. Sunday ngayon, today is Sunday, para mag-relax lang dito sa aming yard. Listen, Ray. Ba-ba-ba-dam-pam-pam. Wala kaming magagawa for today's vibe. We are just sitting here in our yard. Wala kaming ibang magagawa. We don't have nothing today to do. We're just sitting here in our yard. We don't have nothing to do. We have nothing to do after the mass. And from the church, we're just sitting here in the yard. We're just waiting our own enjoyment. We are just creating our own happiness, because we're thanking to God that we're alive and kicking. We're thanking the Lord that we're still alive and kicking. Kicking.
Can't raise my foot.
Today's back. We're just telling you, my viewers, that we're just thanking that we're still alive and just sitting here in our yard. It's Sunday is fun.